In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect to your Zebronics soundbar to mobile using Bluetooth. First things first, head over to your Zebronics speaker, look for the buttons at the side of the device, and then you want to press and hold the power button until it turns on. Right after, it will then enter pairing mode. Now you can confirm that it's on pairing mode if you see a blue light flickering on the device itself. From there, just head over to your Android device, open up your system settings. Now you can also do this inside the Apple devices. Just head over to settings, click on connections or Bluetooth, and then you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. Inside the Bluetooth settings, you just want to wait for the Zebronics speaker, as you will be able to see that under the available devices, and basically from there, just click on it and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.